Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today we're starting off the day going and getting Cam's 240 out of impound. It got towed because it had a flat tire, and like the people at the house, they didn't really like looking at it. It was like a nuisance, I guess they would call it. But we're going to grab that, and then I don't know what's happening afterwards, but Cam's excited. We're just hitching up the wooden trailer right now, and then we're gonna head out. Look at it! It's happy.
Did you ask why they took it? No plate, that's it? Mud.
Oh yeah, mud. Oh! Brendan! He slipped in the mud right here.
It's mud.
Getting work done, dude. We got the tandem toe strap going. Oh.
All right.
All right, right now we are just using all this junk that we have in here to reinforce the wooden ramps over. Like, one of them is cracked, so it's really bad. This one here.
Oh yeah, you're gonna snap that up.
Is that a fucking tow hitch?
Yeah, that's my hitch.
I think it's time for a new ramp. Alright, we fucked up a little bit. Cam is now beached on the trailer, so owner of the towing is gonna try to help us figure this whole situation out because it's hanging halfway off the back, and we don't have any of our tools or jacks or anything here to try to fix this. Yeah.
Next time, dude, you got
this tow company is the best. Like, I don't know if you guys ever have like any need to get towed around Rocky Hill, but check these guys out. Nice people. World of help right now, honestly.
better than a forklift, actually. It really is. It's a full record.
Oh, dude, he's playing with him. That's mint.
Dude, thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, we just arrived to the shop, and now we are gonna get this off.
Yeah, one of the ratchet straps are off. Fuck it, it's auto, and the e-brake is in it. So.
That popped off.
Yeah.
That's junk.
Spider fucking crawled off into the blackness. Yeah.
I hate spiders,
Huge
dude.
one, like a giant.
I'm gonna find this thing. Where's he at?
I don't know, somewhere.
I think it's apparent that Brendan's lifter tick is unreal. Alright, so we're just trying to get Cam's 240 started to bring it in here. And then I think we're going to grab mine from the other unit out of the trailer because it's just been sitting there, and it's probably not good for the trailer suspension to just have that weight on it all the time, because the springs or this is like whatever establishes the ride height is probably gonna just like stretch down and depress and relax very, very low if we just keep it in there. So we gotta go grab that.
That thing chucks a fucking cloud. Holy
I love that smell, dude. Thompson all over.
Oh my god, dude, that thing chucks a mean
Yeah,
cloud.
no, I didn't even expect it to be that bad.
Out the other side, there was too much. God damn.
Oh yeah.
Brendan.
Damn. I don't know if you guys can see it, but his cloud is like infiltrating our shop right now.
Dude, it's fucking musty.
It smells like a drift event in this bitch.
Oh, it's the third time that it's solid.
God, that sounds like doo-doo.
Yeah, Brevin's car might be like, the beginnings of Rodney, so good thing Miata engines are really, really cheap. We'll hit up Brevin and see where he's getting his engine.
Come way up here.
Try and get as close to the OG as possible because it's possible to get that tractor out later.
You're good. Oh! That was, I almost slipped and died. All right, guys, so we saw this car pulling in and we don't know what's going on, but damn.
Dude, this thing is gnarly. Where are you
Yeah, what?
at?
We're right down the street.
Nice.
I'm so happy you guys came back. I wanted to get a shot of this for my vlog so bad.
He recognized you guys. I was like, wait, there's the Haggard guys. I'm like,
Oh my,
dude,
there's nothing up here, dude.
yeah, oh yeah.
Is it a STI?
JDM STI.
JDM STI. You're a legend.
This thing's fucking mint, dude.
What is this?
Yeah, what's going on here?
So, it's a factory 5 kit, and they give you the body, they give you the chassis, and then you use all the parts from the Subaru. So, we bought like an 02 wagon as a donor car, but we ended up going with a version 8 STI engine and a 20G.
Dude, this thing's mint though. This thing is so fucking nasty.
Can I drive it?
You want to drive it?
I love it. Dude, oh my god.
Willwood, dude, this thing's like, oh my god.
Only 300.
It is a Miata door handle.
Oh my god.
Holy
Oh, this is cool. This is fucking cool.
Okay, this is put these on. Here's the thing. Clutch press really high.
Holy shit.
Good luck.
That's so nice though.
Peace, dude. How was that driving that thing?
Oh, it was insane.
I wish I drove.
It was so insane.
Back, I'm gonna ask.
Just text him.
All right, so he's carrying the tractor tire. You saw the work they did. We're just gonna come in here and get like a new tire, new clips or whatever, throw it on the tractor and test out the work that Cam did with the custom fab and like the wheel and all that when we get back to the shop.
I got it.
We have never had it come to load.
I got these wipe turns down now.
This is how we traverse a Lowe's. Cam, look, I'm a tow rig. All right, so my Uber just pulled up and it turned out that it's Haggard Garage in the Mint Van, dude.
No, what is it?
Yeah, this is a really tight fit. Look how thin that is.
I would never have attempted that with $20. It really is. That's over $2,000 right there.
How's your smoothie, Ushi, lush? I don't even know what to call it.
Have you ever tried this?
No, is it good?
It tastes identical to the white Airhead.
I don't think it does.
Ah! It tastes good.
It doesn't look that
Baja
bad.
Blast.
All right, so there's a little bit of a problem with the new wheel, but I think between brains and a welder, we're gonna fix this. The lunch right there.
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
Yeah, it's like this one has a key, this one doesn't.
I can see that key on the axle, so we're gonna have to grind it down.
This one's just like a hole.
Or honestly, dude,
If you look at it, the back end is square, so we could change the way
dude,
the axle.
we don't even-
That's the front.
Is that the front?
That's the front.
damn,
The back is the long part.
I was gonna say if we can just fucking
cut a notch in
yeah.
it.
Is it the same size though? It's the only thing. It has to be able to slide on with a notch too.
Why'd you do that?
I don't know. You've been grinding on it for fucking 20 minutes. I don't know why I grabbed it, but...
So what, just this lip is too close, we gotta bring it back here to fit the tire on all the way?
That's what it looks like though, guys. Completely flat on both sides. I was gonna quickly weld that washer back. The point of this washer here, for those of you guys that couldn't figure it out, is so that the wheel does not come
I know,
off
I was gonna
this
say
way.
that, but I feel like people should understand that the friction there is like stopping power. Literal stopping power.
Ride it.
All we have to do is the same thing we did to the other side, because now the wheels are kind of two different sizes, and this one is all rotted. Like, you can see the difference. I just have to address something else real fast, is that we bought this for our tractor lawnmower. Like, you see people keep commenting and telling me that it's not called a tractor, but we bought a rear tractor wheel. You see this?
It says right there, tractor.
So, I don't know what else to look up. We can't go buy a lawnmower wheel because lawnmower wheels are this big because they go on 0 turns and things you stand on. Or it's a 8-inch plastic wheel.
Right there, that's a
That
lawnmower
right there
wheel.
is a lawnmower. You see that lawnmower wheel? Tractor wheel.
I'm gonna test the wheeliness.
We just gotta take this, the lawnmower off there. That's the only thing.
Finally able to ride the fucking track.
It's like a drift car! Oh. Just throw it in neutral, we can push it out. Don't do that. We can just slide that in the back of there.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we have.
That's what we were gonna do, but we couldn't slide the trailer back.
Wait! Well, we don't want this moving because it's gonna break it. So hold that back.
No, pick this up.
No.
That looks crazy without anything on it.
You're gonna have to line that up.
Where's the pin?
Oh, we're doing a wheelie.
Oh! We gotta do it! I ripped the biggest hole in my pants, dude. Fuck me. I ruined my pants.
He's vlogging and driving.
Ah! I hope the wind doesn't sound bad.
What?
The wind.
Is it that loud? We're just gonna ride this around for like an hour.
I ripped my pants, dude.
Oh my god. It's like get on like right here. No, you gotta be on the front.
thing hauls ass. It's wild.
It's fun as fuck.
You can fucking have bands pay for A-rides and shit.
Sometimes the whites on this camera look really, really bright.
Is this a look? Look in!
It looks like this.
Okay.
It works.
You want to just go right?
Let's go that way.
Hit the brake if you want to.
Watch the trailer!
I see it. Yeah, Brendan's still driving it. Oh yeah!
Come on. This is so awesome.
Nice lawnmower delete we got going on.
Now
Now we have a tractor.
It's literally quick release too. None of that was bolt on. We cotter pins for
cotter
everything.
pins and a belt, and it came off.
This fucking solstice looking.
And we, dude, like literally, we got a brand new cotter pin for the trailer.
Will that fit?
From this. Look, it's bent. Look at it.
Will it fit?
Yeah.
We're actually designing a weight box right now. That's why we took the motor off, because we're gonna attach some bars to the frame down there. You see that, and then that. They're gonna come out like
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
and then
That's perfect.
Put cinder blocks on it.
So we gotta take this off the hood here, and we're gonna try to use the frame to just like put a bar straight out the front of the middle, and then instead of making like a bucket or whatever, we're just gonna have this on here and slip weights,
Man.
bricks, or tires up on the end of it. Oh, cruising! He's cruising!
Ready? Oh shit! I was gonna pick the ass end up and try to get in there, but I missed it.
Yeah, this is what we did. That's the thing. It's got no gas. We're gonna go to the other shop, fill this with gas,
That one tire.
drop this off, and then I don't know. I think we're going home. Just gotta pull that in the garage first. Yeah, dude, we put some work in on the sticker here. Look at that.
Did we?
A little bit, just a little bit. Oh.
Someone's gotta hold this up.
I found your Drove to Mexico hat.
Where?
In the van.
Is it really?
It's been in the back of the van for a while. I thought you knew it was there.
know.
Quickly smell, double check.
Stopped at this gas station to fill up the tractor.
We gotta back it in, dude. Oh my! This light is making everything look orange. right, so we just put the trailer down. We're heading inside right now. I think my buddy Andy or my buddy Wilson is trying to skate or something tonight.
Let me see. Boom. Submit. We all win.
All right, so we are going to get pizza. Orion was just finishing up the video, so make sure you check out the main page to see what we did today. I can't wait, dude. I want some wings. I want to put my wallet in my pocket so I can leave. Oh yeah. Cam is inside Domino's right now paying for the pizza. I wanted to come mess with him. Oh. Oh, dude, those wings smell so good right now. All right, so I got upstairs and we left the soda, so I'm getting the soda and we're gonna eat. I had to. I just caught Cam finishing his video. I'm probably gonna do the same thing now, but we got the wings. We got the pizza. I had to run downstairs and get the soda yet again, but that was my day. Let me know what you think. Leave me some suggestions as to what you would like to see from now on. I'm gonna keep posting more and more. I was just trying to get some momentum going, and you guys are great. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and follow for more.